thinking about a tile or remodeling project, but not sure who to trust or what questions to ask? That's exactly why I created Home Tile and Stone. I provide independent guidance to help homeowners avoid costly mistakes before the work begins. Here's how it works. You send me photos of your project, along with your plans, the products or systems you're considering, and any quotes or recommendations you've received. You also tell me your goals, your budget, and any concerns you have. Maybe you're wondering if the shower is being waterproofed correctly, if the tile installer is using the right materials, and whether the countertop you chose is the best fit for your lifestyle. I review everything using over 38 years of tile and stone experience, along with industry standards and manufacturer guidelines. Then we schedule a one-on-one consultation where I walk you through my recommendations and answer your questions. My goal is simple: help you know what to ask, know who to hire, and know what to do to protect your investment. If you'd like independent guidance for your project, click the link below.